My favorite unboxing. I have a baby book. It's actually a college textbook, but it's not done yet. And there it is. A little short. We'll leave that one there. I'll get it anyways. It's 704 pages. What have you done today to make the world a better place to live? I have 1 million characters, 212,000 words, and over 22,000 lines. Flip it over, white on the back. Most people grab a book and they want to see what's in it. So instead of putting it inside, I put it on the back. Ooh, wait for it. 211 religions and beliefs, and I've already added 8 more to that. I wanted to see how heavy it is. 2 pounds, 12 ounces, 0.4. 12.4 ounces. It's a heavy book. And the other book, probably this got way too big, so we had to do another book, and there's probably 600 pages done in that already. I'm translating a 2,000-year-old book. Oh man. Archaic. That's what the words are.